What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth cutting in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option software update. Now click on it and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.